Hello, good morning students. How are you? You guys will be safe. Okay. Myself Narendra Rawat. Today we will talk in class 12th standard chemistry in your second chapter solution. This is the next term is mole fraction. Student, last day I have told you in the terms is molality. Okay. Today we will talk in the next term is mole fraction. Okay. Generally, student, we have a fraction. Suppose that this is your key point is, suppose that this is a container and fill will uh, here this is your solute and solvent. Suppose that the ratio of solute is 1 A and solvent B, the ratio of solvent is 3. Okay. What is the fraction? First is the number of moles of solute A. Number of moles of solute equal to 1 A, and same way number of moles of solute B equal to 3. Okay, and the total solution is 1 plus 3. It means A plus B equal to 4. Okay, clear? First is the, suppose that what is the mole fraction of A? Mole fraction of A. Mole fraction of A means the number of moles of A by number of moles of B plus number of moles of A. It means number of moles of A 1, and here 1 plus 3. It means 1 by 4. So this is the number of mole of A. In the same way, number of moles of B, mole fraction of B, mole fraction of B. It means B, the value of B, number of moles of, here number of moles of B by number of moles A, number of moles of B. Here the value of B equal to 3. Here 1 plus 3 equal to 3 by 4. So this is the mole fraction of B. In the same way, in the case of solution, this is your example, but in the same way, in solution, suppose that this is our container, here solute A and solvent B. The ratio will be same way. Suppose that here solute is sugar and solvent is water. How to calculate mole fraction? Here first is the mole fraction, the number of mole fraction of A, mole fraction of A, mole fraction of A. Generally, in the case of mole fraction, the concentration term is denoted by Na. This is the number of moles of A equal to, here in the same number of moles of A equal to uh, number of moles of A by number of moles of A plus number of moles of B. Okay, so this is the mole fraction of component A. Here mole fraction of components A. In the same way, this is the first case, and second case, number of mole fraction of components B. How to calculate number of moles of B? NB equal to, in the same way, number of moles of B denoted by NB by Na plus Nb. This is the mole fraction of next component. If three component C, suppose that here C, okay, and water, suppose that NaCl salt, okay. What is the mole fraction of C? Here, third case, the third component C, the mole fraction of C, it means number of moles of C equal to Nc by total number Na plus Nb plus Nc. So this is the your concentration terms. Okay, students, here generally mole fraction Nc, Na, Nb and Nc generally denoted by zeta or eta. Zeta, this is the symbol, or eta. Okay, so generally uh, mole fraction is denoted by zeta. Zeta equal to here Na plus Nb plus Nc. Total number of mole fraction is Na plus Nb plus Nc. Okay. Generally, the value of total number of mole equal to number of mole fraction Na plus Nb plus Nc equal to 1. Okay. So this is your concentration from zeta. Zeta, zeta it's denoted by the mole fraction. Okay. This is concentration terms of zeta. Okay, student. Thanks for watching.